grace for the broken. Religious people tell us that we have to earn our way to God. It says, do more, try harder, be better. But Jesus turned that idea upside down when religious leaders brought a woman caught in sin to Jesus. Expecting him to condemn her, he did something shocking. He stooped down and said, "He who is without sin cast the first stone." One by one, her accusers left. Jesus didn't condemn her. He forgave her. He offered that same grace to you. You don't have to clean yourself up before you come to him. You can come to him and he will do the cleaning. His arms are open wide, not to judge you, but to welcome you home. That is the scandalous, beautiful grace of Jesus.